Hello. This is a tutorial on how to use Flippity. Navigate to flippity.net. This is a website that allows you to input your information and make several different kinds of games. You've got flashcards, quiz shows, a random name picker, a virtual breakout, matching games, word searches, spelling words, several different things that you can use. So I'm going to show you how to do one of these as an example today. I am going to choose the matching game. So on the matching game, you can choose a demo or instructions. So let's go to the demo and see what this is going to look like today. So it's a normal matching game. So you click to open one, click to open this second one. It does have some visual pictures in there. Also, it has auditory. It reads the word to you. So that's not a match, so I have to click anywhere, put it back,
black,
and try that. So that is what we're going to look at today. So at the top it says want to make your own matching game. Let's go ahead and click that button. So you've got a couple of different scenarios. So option one is a place where you can just put in your words and they will match with the exact same word. So if you had a child and needed to match spelling words to spelling words, this would be a good option where you could put in the words, choose the game type, and the title. You can title it and you can generate it. The second option is the one that I would probably go to because it has much more information in it and you are able to modify it more. So you will go to this template and it will make a Google spreadsheet, copied it in your Google Drive. So you just say make a copy. And as it opens, you can notice that there are several different tabs along the bottom. You've got the matching game tab, you've got an options tab, and a get the link here tab. So let's start at the matching game tab. You can rename that. You can rename the whole file with the name of your game. I suggest you do that because it's going to be a copy of in the top. So this is where you're going to change your items So as the example shows that they have the word red and they have a picture of a red splotch to match. You can change this. You can change it using pictures, words, whatever you would like. So you would just go in here and you would change the word to whatever you're going to do. If you were going to do shapes and say circle, you would come over here, then you would find your picture of the circle and you would put your link here to the picture of the circle. Okay. On your options tab, these are just some of the things that you can change. I did not change very many of these when I made mine. So let's hop over to the one I made that is a matching game. So here we go. Here I named it parts of speech. So I used the parts of speech in my column A for noun, action, verb, collective noun, proper noun, all of those. The other side, I have the definition, a person, a place, or a thing. Okay, so it looks like the audio is on for my vocabulary words and the audio is off for my definition. So I'm going to make sure and turn that on right now. So I want audio English to be on. So I made that a quick change to my example here. So again, your options tab, is just talking about the setting and the explanations of what's going on there. So when you get finished with typing in all of your items that you want into the matching game, you're going to go down here to get the link. Okay, before you get your link, you're going to have to publish it. So under File, go to Share, and you want to click Publish to the Web. Okay, it will come up a box that says that this one is actually published already to the web. I want the entire document. Okay, and it will automatically replenish when changes are made. So I made a change to mine, so it will update. It may take about 5 minutes, it says, to appear for the updates to appear in your link. So if you are wanting to send this to your students, you can go up here and you can copy your link, take it to your browser, paste it, and this is what it will look like when it comes open. So let's just
Action
look at it.
verb. Added to the beginning of a base word.
Okay, so that is working. So there's a couple of different options that you can use at the very top. You can turn a timer on if you want a timer on. It actually times you all the time. If you can look at it, or you don't have to look at it. Okay, and you can reset the cards and shuffle them again to play it more than once. Okay, so that is just an example of the matching game. There are all sorts of different games that you can choose. The other one that I have actually used is the virtual breakout. And I'm going to go to the demo for that. So it's like little padlocks, and when you click on one, you have to answer the question, and it has a virtual hint for you. It has a hint so that you know which one to type in if you are just at a loss as to what to do. And then you can check your answer with the key. And when you go back, you know that that lock is open. You are able to hop around and look at different ones. So I just want to show you a quick look at the template for this one. So let's go to this template and make a copy of it. Each of the games have a little bit of a different template. This one actually has 3 different sections. You don't have to use all 3. You do not have to use the hint. If you don't use the hint, then there's just no hint available. So you give your clue. You are able to give a hint if the students need it, either a picture or a link to somewhere where they can go find the answer themselves. And then the answer. And it, of course, has the options button and the get the link button at the bottom. So I hope this helped you find out and see how easy it is to make games using your information with Flippity.